I have not made this video to scare you. आपको डराने के लिए वीडियो नहीं बनाया है, प्लीज डरिएगा नहीं. This is just to inform you of the reality, how you will survive in pandemic. If you want to survive here till 2030, you have to know these facts. 75% of the industries which are existing now will disappear in next 5 to 7 years. It will go obsolete, बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाएगी. And 2 billion jobs would go by 2030. I am saying 2 billion jobs. 2 billion jobs खत्म हो जाएंगे. So, we are going to discuss how to survive in this video. Which new industries are coming or about to come, and which new skills are required to be developed by you. If you are also facing problem in your job, not getting salary in time, not getting appraisals, or your company is not doing well, then this is the high time to shift your gears. Change is required. Don't be afraid of change. Change is the only constant. If you don't do this, then you cannot survive till 2030. If you are interested in upgrading yourself, वीडियो में अंत तक बने रहना. It's very interesting video. नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल. दिस इज योर होस्ट एंड दोस्त अमित शर्मा, an entrepreneur, coach, trainer and speaker. Dear friends, as you know, in this video we are going to discuss those industries which would flourish in future and the industries which are dying right now. It may happen that you might be a part of those dying industries. So it's time for you to move ahead and develop your skills. But first of all, we are required to know some reality facts that will explain you something about the reality. Once again, I warn you that this is the high time to shift your gears. If you don't do anything, it would not be possible for you to survive till 2030. I am telling you with the facts, it's research. This is a very serious video. For this reason, watch this video very seriously up till the end. We are going to discuss 14 fastest growing industries. But before this, it is necessary to know few facts regarding industries. As per the Forbes, like 75% of the companies are going to disappear in next 5 years. 50% industries are still not gone. उनका कोई अता पता नहीं है. 2 billion jobs will disappear by 2030. For example, power industry, coal industry and transportation industries. In coal industries, people have dug up and have removed maximum coal. खोद के सब कोयला निकाल दिया है. अब कुछ बचा नहीं है. So this will affect the industry. No coal will be left, so no business. So of course, this coal industry will not survive. And in transport industries, automation इतना हो रहा है, technology इतनी develop हो रही है. Automation is now booming. We are planning to have driverless cars. टेस्ला ने तो बना दिए ड्राइवरलेस कार्स. इवन मेट्रो इज प्लानिंग टू हैव ट्रेन्स विदाउट ड्राइवर्स. ऑफ कोर्स वी आर लुकिंग ग्लोबली, सो दिस इंडस्ट्री विल बी पैरालाइज्ड. सो यू कैन थिंक नाउ हाउ मेनी जॉब्स वुड बी ईटन अप बाय दिस ऑटोमेशन. टोल कलेक्शन इज ऑल्सो ऑटोमेटेड. पहले क्या होता था, आप लाइन में लगते थे, फिर आपका नंबर आता था, देन यूज्ड टू गेट द टिकट, देन यूज्ड टू पे, exchange the money, and then you have to go ahead. Now अब क्या हो रहा है? FASTag. You don't have to wait also. Everything we done automatically. You have to just pass through that gate. This is a very small example. There are other big examples which would eat away a lot of jobs. So in a case you want to survive, you have to upgrade yourself, learn, implement new things, new skills, accept new pattern of generating income. 85% of the jobs have not been invented yet. These jobs are yet to come. It's still an illusion. nobody knows about it, what type of these 85% of the jobs would be. So we have to be ready with our skills. We have to develop ourselves so that we will be able to take that job and will be able to survive. Else, Jai Mata Di. See, my dear friends, there is nothing to get panic or worries. प्रॉब्लम है तो सोल्यूशन भी होगा उसका. As said, 75% of jobs would disappear, but 85% of the new job would be created. So job की कोई कमी नहीं है. Only you have to develop skills to fight with the situation. So now it's high time for you to start developing your skills and moving ahead. Go ahead and do the things required or needed. Let's see few dying industries. You could be in one of them. It doesn't matter. Only are required to switch, upgrade yourself. Let's see few dying industries. Here you can find the list of dying industries. We shall discuss it one by one. So dying industries वो है जो खत्म होती जा रही है. वीडियो टेप्स एंड सीडी इंडस्ट्रीज अब एकदम खत्म हो चुकी है. पहले वीडियो टेप्स आते थे, अब आपको वीडियोस लाइब्रेरीज होती थी पहले, जहाँ पे आप जाके कोई भी पिक्चर के टेप्स ले सकते थे, वीडियो टेप्स ले सकते थे. अब आपको कुछ भी देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. इवन सीडी भी अब खत्म होती जा रही है. अब तो सीडी मिलना ही बंद हो गई है. अब जब भी आप लैपटॉप लेते हो या पीसी लेते हो तो पहले सीडी रोम ड्राइव होता था, अब वो भी एब्सोल्यूट हो गया, बंद हो गया है, वो भी नहीं मिलता. तो ये इंडस्ट्री तो खत्म हो गई. अब हम बात करते हैं लाइब्रेरीज की. पीपल यूज्ड टू लव रीडिंग बुक्स एंड गोइंग टू लाइब्रेरीज. अभी भी बहुत सारी लाइब्रेरीज हैं, बट पीपल अवॉइड गोइंग ड्यू टू पैंडेमिक एंड लॉट ऑफ लाइब्रेरीज आर शोइंग लॉसेस. आपके हाथ में जो मोबाइल है या डिवाइस है जिससे आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, उसमें आप लाखों बुक्स रख सकते हो. इवन पीपल आर ready to buy Kindle books and they avoid buying hard copy books. So people prefer reading books on their mobiles or laptops rather than going to libraries. So this industry is also showing a loss. Next is photo finishing industries. दोस्तों, पहले आप कहीं बाहर जाते थे तो आप फोटो खिंचवाते थे 200 रुपए में, 300 रुपए में. अब उनसे कोई काम कराना पसंद नहीं करता है. क्यों? क्योंकि आपके पास मोबाइल है, उसमें हाई एंड कैमरेज हैं, हाई मेगापिक्सल कैमरेज हैं. सो आप खुद ही फोटो खींच लेते हो और यू कैन डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, एडिटिंग और एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. सो ये इंडस्ट्रीज भी है, बंद होने की कगार पे आ गई है. अब हम न्यूज़पेपर इंडस्ट्रीज के बारे में बात करते हैं. दोस्तों, प्रिंटिंग न्यूज़पेपर and distribution is a costlier affair. Costly पड़ता है. And people had started avoiding reading newspaper after this pandemic. And even the agencies, newspaper agencies, they are coming up with new apps and they give subscription in $1. $1 is just 60 rupees. So people prefer using their mobiles rather than buying newspapers. So मोबाइल ने सबका भट्टा बैठा दिया है. So that's why this industry is also going into depth. There are many publishing houses and they all are showing depth. Loss हो रहा है. People prefer reading digital books in the form of Kindle rather than buying physical books. So this is the reason why publishing houses are showing depth. So if publishing house wants to survive, then they have to shift from their normal routine to digital age. Then only they can survive. Otherwise, in next 4 to 5 years, you will see no publishing houses or very few. This the telephone industries. I'm talking about the old phones or landline phones which we had before 10 years or 15 years. Now this industry had been totally eaten up by mobile. So you will not find this type of phones right now, or very few. डोर टू डोर प्रोडक्ट सेलिंग भी अब बंद हो चुका है. पहले देखा होगा आपने लोगों को हमारे घर पे आके कुछ बेच जाते थे, लेकिन नाउ पीपल प्रीफर टू बाय फ्रॉम Amazon और Flipkart, और people don't prefer to buy from these vendors or hawkers. So ये बिजनेस भी अब बंद हो गया है. अब बुक स्टोर्स भी खत्म होते जा रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ स्मार्टफोन्स. पीपल प्रेफर टू बाय e-books rather than buying a hard copy because of cost effectiveness. स्टेशनरी प्रोडक्ट्स की डिमांड भी धीरे धीरे कम होती जा रही है. अब ऑनलाइन टूल्स हैं, डिज़ाइन टूल्स हैं, प्रेजेंटेशन टूल्स हैं, तो अब प्रोडक्ट्स, स्टेशनरी प्रोडक्ट्स की ज़रूरत कम पड़ती है. पहले स्लिप्स और उस पर कलर्ड पेंसिल से लिखना मुझे बहुत पसंद था, लेकिन अब वो सब नहीं दिखता है. इवन आर्ट इंडस्ट्री इज वेरी मच इफेक्टेड बाय दिस पेंडेमिक. पेंटिंग्स बिक नहीं रही है एंड आर्टिस्ट आर इन ट्रबल. सो नाउ इट्स हाई टाइम to switch to digital age. You have to get some solution so that the art does not die or this industry does not die. Display industry, पहले आपने देखा होगा कुछ एग्जीबिशंस लगे हुए रहते थे, लेकिन अब वो सब बंद हो गया है बिकॉज गैदरिंग इज नॉट अलाउड. प्रिंटिंग इंडस्ट्री भी अब खत्म हो रही है. पहले जो लोग दीवारों पे पोस्टर्स लगाते थे, अब वो सब देखने को नहीं मिलता है. I would like to clearly give you an idea. If you want to continue your work, come to digital age. Switch yourself. If you don't switch, it's a warning. You will be in great trouble till 2030. My dear friends, to be honest, this is the harsh truth. Up till now, you must have got the idea of dying industries. Now let's discuss about 14 industries that would flourish in next 10 years, and those are, you can see the list here. The first one is AI or VR. It is artificial intelligence or virtual reality. If you are in IoT, that is Internet of Things, and AI or voice recognition, man, you are already ahead of time and you are at the right place. Automation of these things are really crucial, and this is one of the important skill. Alexa is one of the example of this. Using Alexa, you can switch off any of your appliances at your home. AI and VR are a very interesting topic. I will make a separate video for this. Green energy, to be more precise, solar energy and eco-friendly products are the future. A lot of work is going on solar energies, products, accessories, etc. And eco-friendly products. A lot of thing is going on in eco-friendly product. Even iPhone they have created is an eco-friendly so that it can be recycled. E-commerce, an online shop like Amazon or Flipkart. You might be knowing the owners of these e-commerce businesses like Jeff Bezos, how much they are earning. So if you are not into this business, you are losing something in this era. So if you can't open an e-commerce website, then start making a product, maybe anything, and start selling on these websites. Or you can have your own e-commerce website, start selling the product on your own site. But do something. Content marketing is a great terminology. You can educate people online. You can engage people online. You can sell your products online. Now there are two things. One is digital property and one is physical property. So this is the digital property and it will earn you for you in future. So if you want to make a career in content marketing, then it would be a great. Beauty product industry is at its boom. New products are launched every day. You find number of beauty products on e-commerce websites like Amazon and Flipkart. So if you are into this industry, then you will gain a lot in future. Gaming industry has a bright future. A lot of automation is going on. So machines would be doing work. So what people would be doing? How they will engage their brains. So they move towards gaming. The great examples are, you can see gaming YouTube channels has got the highest subscribers and lot of views. So if you are a software developer developing a game, or if you have a company which is building some game, then you have a bright future. You might have heard कि फेसबुक से ये डेटा चोरी हो गया, गूगल से ये डेटा चोरी हो गया, गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिस से ये इंफॉर्मेशन लीक हो गई, आप जो भी ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स करते हो, कार्ड से करते हो, यूपीआई आप मोबाइल से पेमेंट करते हो, ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं बहुत ही ऑथेंटिक हैं और इसकी सिक्योरिटी बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो साइबर सिक्योरिटी इज एट इट्स बेस्ट और इट विल बूम इन द फ्यूचर. इसकी बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है. हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री और एजुकेशन में रिसेशन कभी नहीं आएगा. दे आर ग्रोइंग, बट इफ यू कैन ऐड अ स्पाइस of digitization to it, you can get a growth from this to this. डिजिटल डिजाइनर्स की बहुत डिमांड है, वीडियो एडिटर्स की बहुत डिमांड है, वीडियो क्रिएटर्स की बहुत डिमांड है, ग्राफिक्स डिजाइनर, वेब डिजाइनर, इनकी डिमांड काफी है. Nowadays, company prefers online marketing and online sales because they get good results in less cost. So, if you can learn these skills from somewhere, get some mentor, search some mentor, and practice it. First of all, give free services. And when you are expert and up to the mark, start your own business. You can earn in crores. Believe me. We just discussed about these flourishing industries like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, e-commerce, gaming, cyber securities, education. All of these require some sort of app development or hardware development. So every time it required to develop some software for a system or for a controller. So of course software developers will be having a great future. They will be having great demands. The last but not least is consulting. You can start your own consultancy. You might be good in something. You might be having some specific knowledge. So start helping people. Start helping others. And in return, you will be paid for that. So it's a very good area of work. Good luck. If there is anybody in your family or friends who are in any of these dying industries, you love them, you care them, and you want to help them, then please share this video with him or her, because these are the facts from the facts that I have researched. If you want to see yourself doing well in future, you have to start positioning yourself for the future. Start digging your well right now, otherwise you will remain thirsty. Start developing new skills. Start learning new things. Start learning about recent trends in market. Otherwise, you will not get the job in future. If you have any queries regarding this, or you want us to help you in any way, then please shoot out an email to us. You can find the email somewhere on my channel. This is up for now, my dear friends. This is Amit Sharma, and I am signing off. Take care of yourself, your parents, your friends. Will catch you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind. Take care. Bye bye.